There's an article that ran in Exhibit City News in its last issue that talked about all of the different standards that are out there, and for how some people on the trade show floor, it's very confusing to them if the organizer is taking them in one direction based on one standard, the exhibitor is off taking them on another direction on another standard, and then maybe the general service contractor is obliged to follow something else, whether it's their own policy or an international standard. So the likes of Net Zero Carbon Events Initiative, we have the Event Industry Council Sustainable Event Standards, ISO 2012-1, and then the EDPA, the Experiential Design Producers Association, and ESCA, the Exhibit Service Contractors Association, have their stand build guidance. Now, so talk a little bit about when Informa and now this working group have been designing better stands for the wider marketplace. Did you take into consideration these other standards, and do they integrate, or is this additive or duplicative?
So all of those standards are different, and they work differently for different people, but I absolutely see it as additive, to use your phrase there. I think Better Stand's strength for me is in that it is a very practical implementation tool. You know, those other standards kind of look much bigger picture at a broader spectrum of sustainability, a lot of them both environmental, social, etc., and is looking at a whole company's processes and ambitions and targets, and Better Stands is really a powerful tool that will help them actually achieve those targets in one specific area, the reusability of stands. So I think for anyone who's already looking at any of those, Better Stands is likely to be something that they could powerfully use in their implementation.